Everyone keep your hands down. I've already joined and students are also joining. I'm admitting them. Children, everyone keep your hands down. We are going to take science class today, and very good evening to everyone. If you have raised your hands to say good evening, keep your hands down.
Hey, come on the bus. Come on the bus, mommy.
I said keep your hands down. Yeah, we are doing science today. Okay. Not now, later. Go.
They did not hear you.
Children, can you tell me, one of you, can you tell me, like, in the last class, how many questions have we solved? Say, wave your hand.
Are you able to hear me, ma'am?
Yes, tell me.
Ma'am, I was just asking if you're able to hear me. I connected to my device, Bluetooth device, so I asked.
I asked some question, answer me for that. Question number 7, Shreya. Okay. So now, what are your doubts? Tell me faster, one by one.
Oh yes, ma'am. I didn't get the link of next class. Yeah, ma'am. Yes, ma'am. You finished till 1 to 16. Till 1 to 16, you finished the questions, ma'am.
Ma'am, can you hear me?
Ma'am, till 1 to 16 till you finished, ma'am.
Okay, now
1 to
everyone
16
keep
questions.
your hands down first. Everyone
Ma'am,
put your hands down.
can I speak?
Everyone put your hands down.
Hello, ma'am.
I said 1 minute. Everyone keep your hands down. Yes. What is that? Who is speaking there?
Ma'am, I'm Vedo
Yes,
Patil.
Veda. Yes, tell me, Veda. What is it?
Ma'am, in button but tutorials have they
Mm-hmm.
check or what, ma'am?
Button but tutorials app.
Ma'am, they said, ma'am, it is there any issues?
Why? What happened?
Ma'am, because when we opened it, show only 5:30 class.
What?
Ma'am, it show 5:30 class, ma'am.
It was showing 5:30 class. But how did you log in now?
Ma'am, when
They have
send
given
the
the
group,
1 minute. They have given. See, they will either send the link in the group or they will send it in the app. Okay. If they have sent it in the group, sometimes they will not link it in the app. So from group, you can take the link and you can log in. Understood?
okay, ma'am.
Hmm.
Ma'am, in 7:30 class, where, when,
5 minutes
or what,
before they
ma'am?
will give you.
Okay.
Now don't worry about the other classes. Worry about only today's class and what I'm teaching now. Okay. What is it, Dhanya, Rakshan and Bhagyashri?
Ma'am, this is science class, ma'am.
Yes, it is science class.
Okay, ma'am. Thank you, ma'am.
Ma'am, for answering it, ma'am, the question.
1 minute. Now I asked in the previous class we were solving. Yeah, Shreya, this is science class here, dear. So in maths we have done 7 questions. Correct, Shreya? Yesterday we did till question number 7. That was in mathematics. Okay. Today I am taking science. Fine. So in science, how many questions did we solve in the previous class? Yes, Nishant?
Excuse me, ma'am. Yesterday, another ma'am, she did cooking and preserving techniques, ma'am. Another ma'am came.
Whatever I am teaching, I am only asking about my classes. I don't want any other teacher's class. Okay.
You did still 16, ma'am. 16.
Question number 16 we have done. Okay. Now everyone put down your hands. We'll start from there. Okay. Children, there are many lessons. There are too many lessons. So sometimes 2 teacher will take science subject only. Or 2 teacher will take maths also sometimes. Because there is too much syllabus. And in January, you will have your exams, correct? By January, we have to finish the portions. Okay. So only in order to finish the portions soon, what they will do is 2 teachers will take same subject because there is too much of syllabus. Okay, children? So don't get confused. If other teacher is taking, you write it separately. Where what I am taking, write it separately. Got it? In the same book, you can write like this. In this side, if you write whatever I am teaching, turn the book like this, upside down, and from back side, you write the another teacher class. Okay? So that it will not get mixed up. I will be taking different lesson. She will take another lesson. Okay, children? No confusion, right? Even in maths, if it happens the same thing, in maths also you do the same thing. Okay? Because syllabus is too much. So sometimes we will share the lessons. Okay? What, Vinil?
The science book and GK science book are divided into 2 halves, ma'am. Is that fine, ma'am?
Yeah, no problem.
Okay, ma'am.
Now, what is it, Bhagyashree?
Ma'am, in last class, I have some network issue and it has disconnected. So I did not this. You can show from the screen from 12th month, ma'am.
You have to take screenshots. Okay?
Okay, ma'am.
Yes, what is it, Shreya?
Excuse me, ma'am.
Yes, ma'am.
Ma'am, what and all you're showing, should we write it?
Yeah. Question answers. These are
Okay,
question
ma'am.
answers, so you have to write it.
Okay, ma'am.
Aditi,
Thank you,
I don't
ma'am.
want your photo. I want your video to be on.
Near my house there's no electricity, so can
It's
I
okay,
off my
turn it
video?
on. Okay, fine. What is it, Shritayu? Tell me fast, children. Don't waste time.
9th, 8th question. We did it till 7th.
Dear, we solved 7 questions in mathematics. Now I am doing science. Science, we did it very long back. Which was the date? Do you people remember? You have to put the date and write always. When was the last class? Tell me, Bhagyashree, what is it?
Ma'am, last class was 9th, 10th.
It was on 9th of October. We had taken the last class. Okay.
Ma'am, you can show
So on
10th.
1 minute. On 9th of September, 9th of October, I have done MCQs. So there we solved 16 questions. So we'll continue from question number 16. Now Bhagyashree, take screenshots. Okay. What is it, Shamant?
Ma'am, can you show from question number 1? I'll take the screenshot because this is my first science class.
Sure. 1 minute. Hold on. Once you take the screenshot, just tell me it's done. Then I will go to the next slide. Okay.
Okay, ma'am.
Are you done?
Yes, ma'am. First question done.
Okay. Shh. Now second question.
Done.
Okay. Third.
Ma'am, this also done.
1 minute. Fourth.
Yes, ma'am.
Okay. Fifth one. Take
I'm
it with
done.
answers. Okay.
Okay, ma'am.
Sixth one.
Done, ma'am.
7.
Yes, ma'am.
8.
Done, ma'am.
Okay. Now, Bhagyashri, get ready. You also have to take screenshots, no?
Done, ma'am.
10th.
Done, ma'am.
Did you take Bhagyashri? Okay. 11.
Yes, ma'am.
12.
Done, ma'am.
13.
Yes, ma'am.
14.
Done, ma'am.
15.
Yes, ma'am.
Amok, till you turn on your video, I will not ask you any question. Yes. Question number
Done,
16
ma'am.
also we have finished in the last class, right, children? Yeah. What is it, Veda and Dhruva?
Ma'am, which chapter is this, ma'am?
What is it? Different scientific devices which we use in our daily life.
Ma'am, the videos are uploaded,
Hello, ma'am.
ma'am.
Yes, yes, it is.
Excuse me,
Okay,
ma'am.
Hmm.
Ma'am, you can tell the 12th one's answer, ma'am.
It was there, no? Shown to you that time only.
Hello, ma'am.
Yes. What
Ma'am,
is it?
Ma'am, it's
We
B1,
spoke
ma'am.
from first month because I did not attend at 9.
Now again, what? What, Veda?
And I did not attend at 9. I attended at 13.
What? I didn't get you.
Ma'am, show from first, ma'am.
I showed you, no? Just now I showed everything. Again and again, I'll not do the same thing. Okay? It will be uploaded in the app. You can see there. Notes will be uploaded in the app. You can see from there. Again and
Ma'am,
again,
this
if I
is-
keep doing the same thing, then it will be just waste of time. Yes,
Ma'am,
Shreya?
Yes, ma'am. But ma'am, you told that videos are uploaded, and from yesterday, from day before yesterday, I'm seeing, but the videos are not uploaded.
I'll check again. Okay?
Okay, ma'am.
What is it, Bhagyashri? Tell me fast.
Ma'am, nothing, ma'am.
Now, question number 16 is also done, right? So, next question is, everyone lower your hands. Next question is, name the apparatus which is used to guide the sailors. Shambhavi, tell your answer.
Ma'am, see, mariner's compass.
Yes, correct. It is mariner's compass. Very good. Okay, it is option C, mariner's compass. Write fast. Everyone lower your hands. Veda, what is your doubt now? Any doubt,
Hello,
Veda?
ma'am. Hello, ma'am.
Huh?
Ma'am, I checked in. It's not.
Your voice is breaking.
Hello, ma'am.
Yes, Vedhav. Your voice is breaking.
Now,
Yeah, tell what is it?
ma'am, in button but tutorials
Hmm?
have,
Hmm?
ma'am, they did not upload the photos.
Photo, which photo?
Ma'am, this science, ma'am.
What photo?
Ma'am, you listen, ma'am, they will upload.
Video will be uploaded and then notes also will be uploaded. Once I say that the chapter is
Okay.
completed, they will upload the notes. Notes will be based on whatever is there in the class. Whatever I teach in class, same thing will be put in the notes.
Okay.
Okay?
Okay. Thanks.
Now finished writing this. We'll go to the next question, children. Now, next question is, which instrument is used to measure the minute distances? Shivani, tell.
Ma'am, option number D.
D.
No, ma'am,
Micrometer. C. Microtone.
Ma'am, D, ma'am.
You are confused now. Okay, let me ask someone else. Wait. Yes, Vinil, tell the answer.
Ma'am, the answer is microtome.
Microtone. Option C.
Yes, ma'am.
Yes, correct. Option C is correct.
Thank you, ma'am.
It's written micrometer here. Sorry, children. It should be microtone. Okay, not micrometer. It is option C. Finished writing, everyone? What is it, Vinil?
This 17th question, I didn't understand what is the meaning of that. Name the one. What is the?
Apparatus. Apparatus means instrument.
Okay, ma'am.
Okay, now lower your hands. Yeah, Dhanya, what is it? 1 minute, hold on. Yes, Dhanya.
Ma'am, what is the meaning of minute?
Minute means small. Very small, in
Ma'am,
fact.
and they should. Okay, ma'am. Ma'am, should we write even the options, ma'am? Because in mathematics class you told not to write the options.
Not required, actually. If you write the correct answer, that's more than enough. Okay?
Okay, ma'am. Okay, ma'am.
Now, next question. Which instrument is used to measure the high temperatures? High temperature, this is? Kishan, tell. Hmm.
D.
Option D. Pyrometer. Is it correct? Is it correct, children? Pyrometer?
I'm C.
Hmm?
C.
What is it, Rakshan?
Ma'am, C, ma'am. No, ma'am, D, ma'am.
I'm C.
Ma'am, D, ma'am. Yes.
Now lower your hands.
Ma'am, I told the correct answer. Ma'am.
Okay, now lower your hand. Everyone lower your hands. Now finished. Now we'll go to the next question. So the next question is, the measurement of rainfall is made by. The answer is in the question only. Half part of the answer is in the question only. Whichever option has rain, so that is the answer. Okay. I'll not ask anyone here. It is rain gauge. The answer is in the question. So half part, that is rain, is already there here. Lower your hands, everyone. What is it, Danya?
Ma'am, how to spell pronounce the second word of the option D, ma'am?
Gauge.
Okay, ma'am.
It is rain gauge.
Okay, ma'am.
What is it? What is it, Shivani?
Ma'am, can you go for previous slide?
Hmm. Finished?
Yes, ma'am.
Okay, now next question is, Which instrument is used to measure atmospheric pressure? Amog.
Ma'am, it is option. Ma'am, it is option B.
Wrong. What is it, Rishant?
Ma'am, option A, barometer.
Correct. Oh, sorry. It is option A, barometer. Barometer is used to measure the atmospheric pressure. So once this chapter is completed, you will get one test on the same chapter. Okay. Date, time, everything will be announced in the group. So you will get to know the date and time at least 3 days before it will be announced. Now we'll go to the next question. Which instrument is used for determining speeds of airplanes and motorboats? That's it, no? Motorboats. Kalyan Krishna.
Option 1,
Option A,
tachometer.
tachometer. It is correct. Good. One minute, children. Okay, now we'll go to the next question. Now the next question is, which instrument is used for measuring the humidity of air or atmosphere? Yes, Dhanya.
Ma'am, option C, hydrometer.
Option C, hydrometer. Yes, correct. Hydro stands for what? Sorry, not hydrometer, it is hygrometer.
Okay.
Okay.
I got confused in both.
Okay, no problem. Yes, Shreya, what is it?
Ma'am, I'm not able to see the questions from 21.
Why?
Ma'am, just I'm able to see only the question of 20.
Is it? 1 minute. I'll go to the previous slide again. Check.
Oh,
Okay.
yes, ma'am, I'll take the screenshot.
Okay, okay. Yeah, are you able to see question number 23 now?
No, ma'am.
Okay. Now let everyone finish writing this, then I'll go to the previous slide. Okay.
Okay, ma'am. Thank you, ma'am.
Now finished everyone writing? Okay. Now I'll go to the previous slide. Shreya, where are you? Everyone lower your hands, children. Everyone put your hands down fast. Shreya, raise your hand here. I cannot find you. Where are you? Shreya. Huh. Where are you? Children, I told you to put your hands down.
Ma'am, no, ma'am. Now also I'm not able to see.
What's wrong? Do one thing. Log out and re-log in again. Okay.
Okay, ma'am.
What is it, Nishant? Nishant, what is it? Nishant?
Ma'am, what is this lesson name, ma'am?
What? What is the first lesson name?
Yes, ma'am, this lesson name, ma'am.
What is it? You only have to tell. From the beginning, I'm teaching, no?
No, no, ma'am, I don't know, ma'am. I come from last class, ma'am. I don't know.
What is the name of
What,
the
ma'am?
lesson, Bhagyashri?
Ma'am, 1 minute, ma'am.
What? You don't know? You don't remember? Shreya, now can you see?
Ma'am, no.
Ma'am, different use of devices used in daily life.
Different scientific devices used in daily life.
Have you sent this notes in button, ma'am?
Yes. Today or tomorrow, they will be uploading this notes in Button But Tutorials. In the notes
Ma'am, I have
section,
one-
you can find it. Okay.
Ma'am, I have another doubt, ma'am.
What is it?
Ma'am,
Tell me first.
to lower my hand, ma'am, I was not able to lower my hand, ma'am. This
No.
pressing button was not working.
Okay. Now
Okay, ma'am.
others lower your
Excuse me,
hands.
ma'am.
Yes, Shreya.
Ma'am, now also I'm not able to see the 21's question.
Don't know, dear. Why? Even I don't know. I'm sharing it and everyone can see. Might be some network issue
Okay.
from your side. Okay. Otherwise, wait. I'll again share the screen. Hold on, children. I'll share the screen again. Now, can you see? Shreya, can you see now?
No, ma'am.
Don't know, dear. Others can see, right? Only you cannot see means might be some problem with your network or something. Just check, okay?
Ma'am, just can you send this in
It will be
Button But
uploaded in the
tutorial?
Button But tutorial, dear. Once I
Okay,
complete this
so at
chapter,
that time,
today or tomorrow, they will upload the notes first. And then they will upload one more called class notes. That will be the PPT which is converted into PDF. Okay?
okay, ma'am, both should I write?
No, not required. You can just take a print and read from that also.
Ma'am, which
Huh?
ma'am,
You can,
which I have to take the print?
both you can take the print and then first see what is there and then you take the print, whichever you want. Okay?
Okay, ma'am.
Now everyone lower your
when they will
hands.
share, ma'am, when they will share, so can I copy at that time?
Yes, yes.
Okay, ma'am.
Everyone now lower your hands first. Only then I will continue. Fast. What is that doubt, Shivani? And why have you people turned off your videos?
Ma'am, you said you would send a PPT, no, ma'am. That PPT in paper we must write on the
PPT will be uploaded in the form of PDF in the notes section. Okay,
we must write the paper or the notebook, ma'am.
anything is fine.
Okay, ma'am.
Now everyone lower your hands. What is it, Shambhavi?
Ma'am, can you show the 19th question, ma'am?
Why 19th one now you want?
Ma'am, only 19th one.
Fast. Take a screenshot. Done. Now Srinidhi and Rakshan. Lower your hands fast. What is it, Srishant?
Ma'am, from 6:30 to 8:30, you will only take maths class or another teacher, ma'am?
Another teacher will take.
Okay, ma'am.
What
Ma'am,
did I
but
tell
they
in the
haven't
beginning of the
sent
class?
anything,
Only I
ma'am.
told, no? In the only I told that concentrate only about this class, not on the other classes. What is it, Srinidhi? Srinidhi, keep your video on. What is it?
Ma'am,
Tell.
ma'am, QS will be sent, ma'am.
What will be sent?
QS, question answers.
Where I should send?
Question answers will be sent, ma'am.
Where? Which question
In the
answer?
app, ma'am.
Who has to send?
Yes, ma'am.
Tell properly what it is.
Ma'am, the question answers which you're teaching right now will be sent.
You have to send? No, you don't have to send anywhere. Keep it for yourself.
What is it?
Keep your video on. Now, which instrument is used for measuring the specific gravity of liquids? Yes, Vinil.
Ma'am, it is telescope.
It is hydrometer.
Okay, ma'am.
Now, once one question is finished, everyone lower your hands. Charan Raj, I know you joined late. For that, I cannot help now. It was your mistake to join late. If you have any other doubt, tell me. Turn on your video and tell if you have doubt or not. Others, put your hands down. What is your doubt?
Yes, ma'am, it is 24th question. And what is the meaning of this specific gravity of liquids, ma'am?
Specific gravity of liquid means when you put any material into any liquid, then at what speed it will just pull it inside. So that is called specific gravity.
Okay, ma'am. Thank you.
Now the next question is, Which apparatus is used for measuring the purity of milk? Yes, Pratham, tell.
Ma'am, B, lactometer.
Yes, correct. It is B, lactometer. Finished? Write fast, write fast. What is it, Dhanya?
Ma'am, how to pronounce the option D, ma'am?
More scale. H is silent there.
Okay, ma'am, and it's C1 is known as
Kaleidoscope.
kaleidoscopes, no, ma'am?
Yes, kaleidoscope.
And okay.
What is it, Vinil?
Could you go to 24th and take one screenshot, ma'am?
1 minute.
Okay, ma'am.
What is it, Shrita, you?
Nothing, ma'am. Can you go to that 24th question?
Wait.
I was in the answer.
Okay. Done? Is it done? Shrita, you? Do it fast. Okay. So 25th question done, right, children? Yeah. So now we'll go to the next question. Which technique of recording? What, Amog? You know the answer for this? Okay, wait. Which technique of recording and interpreting the electrical activity of brain is used? Only 3 of you know the answer? Okay, tell me the answer, Amog.
Ma'am, it is electro. Ma'am, how to pronounce it? Ma'am, it is
Option.
electro.
Tell the
Ma'am,
option.
C.
C.
Ma'am. Yes, ma'am. Ma'am, ma'am, it is option C.
Correct.
Okay.
It is called electroencephalograph. See, children, there is electroencephalographical or electroencephalograph. Actually, it is electroencephalograph. Okay. Electroencephalograph is the technique used. Okay. But then you have electroencephalogram. Instead of graph here, if you write gram, that is the instrument, or it is called EEG. Okay, you have heard of ECG, correct? ECG, it is used to measure the, or same thing, it will measure the heartbeat. It will record the heartbeat. Okay. So ECG stands for electrocardiograph. So graph is the technique. Instead of graph, if you write gram, then this becomes the instrument which is used to measure the heartbeat. This is for what? Heartbeat. Okay. Dhanya, any doubt?
Ma'am, I did not understand the meaning of the question, ma'am.
Which technique of recording and interpreting the electrical activities of the brain means, now you know heartbeat, right? The heart is beating.
Yes,
Correct?
ma'am.
Yes. So when the heart is
Yes,
beating,
ma'am.
it will give some graph. It is producing some signals. In the same way, brain is also producing signals. Okay. So that signals,
Ma'am,
it should be
ma'am,
in a
that is
proper
the-
way. Like how we have heartbeat, it should be 72 or 76 times per minute. Correct? In the same way,
Yes, ma'am.
brain activity is also measured. Okay. When you're sleeping, it should be some rate.
Okay, okay.
When you're
Okay, ma'am.
active, it should be some rate. Active means now you're sitting and doing some work.
Oh,
So that time it should be some rate. And when you're running or doing some physical activity like some exercise or something, that time it will be again different. And when you're thinking something, when you're writing your exams, you're thinking
yes,
and
ma'am.
writing, correct? So that time it will be high, very high. Okay. But it has
Okay.
a value. If it exceeds
Okay,
that
ma'am.
value, then you will have problem with your activities. You cannot do your activities properly. That is called seizures. Seizures are nothing but, you might have heard about fits, right, children? You have heard about fits. Some people will get fits, they say, right? So
Yes, ma'am.
that is nothing but if the electrical signal in the brain, if it increases too much, then that is only called fits.
Yes, ma'am.
Or it is actually called seizures. Okay.
Ma'am, and
Understood?
how to pronounce it? It is yes, ma'am. I
Encephalo.
understood it. It's electroencephalograph. Okay, ma'am.
Yes, electroencephalograph. Yes,
Graph.
Nishant, what is your
Okay,
doubt?
ma'am.
Graph will also call as gram, ma'am.
No. If you say graph, it is the technique. Okay.
Okay.
If you write gram, then it becomes instrument. Electroencephalogram will give you electroencephalograph.
Okay, ma'am.
In if not in hospitals or in movies and all, you might have seen a big sheet like this. On this, something like this graph will come. This is only electroencephalograph. Okay. The instrument which is giving this, that is electroencephalogram. Got it? Same thing for electrocardiograph and electrocardiogram. Yes, Shreya, what is your doubt?
Ma'am, while thinking, why our heartbeat starts to increase?
Not heartbeat, brain.
Sorry, ma'am, brain.
When you're thinking means, which is the which part of your body will do the work when you're thinking something?
Ma'am, brain.
Brain only, no? So it is doing more activities.
Okay.
Okay.
Ma'am, and but which and all questions you are asking, so I'm not getting to know all of them.
Like you cannot see them?
Yes, ma'am, I can't see and I'm not able to understand all the questions.
Okay, whichever you don't understand, you ask then and there, I will explain.
Okay, ma'am.
Okay.
Ma'am,
This one you
when will
understood?
send- Which ma'am?
This question you understood?
Ma'am, can you
Electro-
repeat the question?
Okay, which technique of recording and interpreting the electrical activity of brain? That is
Yes, ma'am.
electroencephalograph.
Yes, ma'am.
Okay, yeah. The notes will be uploaded today or tomorrow. By Monday, you will get the notes. Okay, we'll go to the next question now, children. The next question is, now what is the time? Okay, this is the last question, children. After this, I have another class. Okay. Which, okay, this N is not there. Which apparatus is used for observing distant objects? So everyone knows binocular. Is it binocular? No, binocular is also called telescope. Binocular is called a simple telescope. Okay, that is your answer, correct? Telescope is the one. Yeah. Children, please take screenshot for this. I have another class now. Or in the next class, remind me, I will show this question. If people can write it, and then we'll go to the next question. Okay. I'll end the class now. I will show the question in the next class. Remind me. Question number 27. Okay, children? Yeah. Thank you, everyone. Bye.